Requesting all the attendees, please take your seats. Last 10 seconds until we begin. So well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back after the tea break. Now is the time for us to begin technical session number 3. And the session chairperson is going to be Mr. B.B. Sharma, the Technical Director, TWC Group, Techno Waxchem and Rajshah Chemicals. We are all familiar with Mr. B.B. Sharma. He was a wonderful speaker in the previous session, and we have had an introduction of him. So let's welcome Mr. B.B. Sharma with a big round of applause. He's going to be the session chairperson for technical session number 3. I request Mr. B.B. Sharma now to preside over the session.
Hello, hello. Can I have the backbenchers to come front? Please, people standing backside having tea, request that we start the technical session, the last session before the panel discussion. So can we have people join back into the conference room, please? Okay, so let me talk about the first presentation in this session. This session is going to be technical session number 3. The first one is on Clarex Specialty Carbon Black, offering solution to achieve improvement in processing and performance. This is going to be delivered by my ex-colleague from Reliance, right now with Himadri, Mr. Ramchandra Ghosh, Assistant VP R&D and Technical Service, Himadri Specialty Chemical Limited. So, some information about Mr. R.C. Ghosh. He brings over 30 years of expertise in technical services, application development, and quality management across the carbon black, rubber chemicals, synthetic rubber, and rubber product manufacturing sectors. I request attention from people, please. Okay. He is holding an MTech degree in Polymer Science and Technology and a BSc Chemistry in honors, along with diplomas in Management and Marketing Management. He currently serves as Assistant Vice President R&D and Technical Services at Himadri Specialty Chemicals Limited. Okay, Mr. Ghosh's career highlights include significant roles such as lead of Elastomer Technical Service at Reliance Industries Limited, where he managed SBR and PBR technical services applications. And he's also excelled as DGM Technical Services at Pix Transmission Limited, focusing on OEM business development for belting and hydraulic hoses. His diverse experience encompasses senior manager sales and technical services at Markem Limited, specializing in rubber chemicals, and roles at High-Tech Carbon, where he managed technical services and quality management system for carbon black. And Mr. Ghosh's profound industry knowledge and leadership in product development, customer support, and quality assurance underscore his pivotal contributions to the rubber and specialty chemical sector. So with that great introduction, let me welcome Mr. R.C. Ghosh. Give a round of applause to him.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your excellent introduction. I don't know, I am the right person to give so many kind words. Okay, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I will be talking on a common topic. Maybe carbon black is a common material. All of our if not all, most of us are using this carbon black in our product. But here, my topic is slightly different, not the same carbon black. It is a kind of specialty carbon black. In Himadri, we branded as Clarix series, and especially there are certain special application in the rubber industry where normal ASTM carbon black is not meeting all the requirement, desired property for the application. So there are facing certain issues in the process and also in the performance. So we are offering solution to those issues to achieve improvement in processing as well as in the performance. So before coming to my main topic of Clarix series, allow me to talk about my company Himadri and also its regular carbon black portfolio, and then I will be coming to Clarix series. So about Himadri, my company was founded in 1987 in Kolkata. Our CMD and CEO is Mr. Anurag Chaudhary, and actually it is managed by Chaudhary family. So this company is enjoying 3 decades of leadership with market capitalization of 1.3 billion US dollar. And there are certain segments we are actually leading. It is an integrated carbon black, carbon corporation and based in Calcutta. And it is recognized through its cutting edge R&D capabilities and innovation. And here we are glad to announce our 8th manufacturing facility is zero water discharge facility. Those are located in India and China. And it is the largest integrated carbon black production unit in India. So we are very proud to mention this part. Yeah. And in Himadri, actually I am new to this company, but I am glad to see the development work here which is undergoing. This is innovation. They are doing various innovation. I think people may appreciate the way share price of Himadri is growing. So that is actually a result of all these innovation in new energy material, all those things. Even in the carbon black space also, there are a lot of development is happening. We have introduced new brands in multiple grade to satisfy the niche application in rubber sector. Our innovation mindset of the people, they are actually continuously working to reduce energy consumption in the factory and various aspects of the operations like logistics, supply chain, etc. And we are, So we are also working to improve the cost reduction purpose. So there are a lot of debottlenecking is happening. As a result, we are improving the productivity also. And this zero discharge I have already mentioned. So these 3 parts, I think it is not there, okay. These 3 parts, world class, we have a world class laboratory. I will show you certain facility which is specifically actually developed and established for scattering to the customers. And these 2 area, techno-commercial, strong technical commercial team and large knowledge bank actually helping to bring this product to your place. And we are totally committed to our to the sustainability, which is the buzzword of this today's scenario, and that is recognized by the EcoVadis. In last year, we have been rewarded in the Silver Award, and we are actually, these recognition ranks Himadri in the top 23% of highest rated companies in the world. Amongst more than 1 lakh plus company has been rated, and Himadri is one of them. And we are enjoying a strong customer base across the globe, and this customer list actually I am showing only in the rubber application space. Both tire, this side, left side and right side is the non-tire sectors. I am not going in detail. So just to give you a impression that we are working with so many customers globally. So quick brief about our plant. This is a panoramic view of our carbon black plant. And about our capability, this is the third largest producer. You people are aware of it. 1,80,000 metric ton per annum, that is our capacity, with a superior in-house R&D facility, and we have a range of specialty carbon black. I will come to that, the specialty carbon black now. And we believe growth is the only thing that will be able to help us to survive and reach to all the customers in the global area. So current capacity is 180 kiloton per annum, as I told. So we are coming up with a brownfield expansion project that is in again same location in Maheshtikri, Singur, West Bengal. So we will adding up another 65 kiloton per annum. Here, please note that this entire 65,000 metric ton capacity we are coming with only for the specialty carbon black. So that means our company is very serious about this specialty carbon black sector. And there is another plan of a total greenfield expansion project also in the maybe in 1 or 2 years. So total capacity would be 3,85,000. I will not talk about in detail of the R&D capabilities, only to give you a glimpse. There are several advanced equipment we have in the R&D center, which encompasses all the areas for this carbon black operation, all carbon black testing facility, and also the application part also, so that we can demonstrate our capability in rubber space. This is only the photographs of several equipments. These are few equipment. These are very important for new development of carbon black, like BiDCP, aggregate size analyzer. This is one of the key equipment for developing specialty carbon black. And of course, these other equipment, FTIR, these are maybe known to everybody. EDXRF, this is total analysis of the elemental analysis actually by EDXRF. And all these equipment, this rubber testing facility, these are common, rubber process analyzer, you know, and this pad extruder and optical microscope, then DMA, all these compression set apparatus, these are specific equipment for catering to your special carbon black application. coming to carbon black portfolio, see this area, this ASTM carbon black, and this is not in my today's scope of my today's topic, and this conductive black also not in my today's topic scope. But these two category, this semi-reinforcing black area and Clarex series, clean Clarex series and ultra clean Clarex series, that is the scope of my topic. One second, please. Sorry. So this ASTM portfolio, if you see, we have the capability to produce all type of grades, right from N110 to N774. So I am not going in detail of everything because many people are aware of this. So I don't know the justification what to go in detail of this. So coming to Himadri specialty carbon black range, actually there are 5 family actually in the specialty carbon black series: Vertex, Clarex, Electra, Jetex and Onyx. So my topic is in the Clarex series carbon black. Vertex is also a rubber application special black. So Vertex is basically, as I told, shown in the previous slide, it is a reinforcing kind of black. It is used mostly in the tire industry. But Clarex specialty carbon black is mainly used in the non-tire sectors and especially the MRG sector, I would say, mechanical rubber good. So this is basically a clean product, clean carbon black. Normally the ASTM carbon black, there is a parameter by many people, many of you are aware that sieve residue actually making the difficulty in the applications. So here Himadri, this Clarex series was developed with a special process by using a specially designed reactor. So I am not going in detail how it is made, but point is the sieve residue. In general, this at 325 mesh, it is in the maximum, spec is maximum 500 ppm, where currently maybe we are supplying in the range of 50 to 150 range. In this case, Clarex series, the sieve residue has been reduced drastically. I will come to that part one by one. So Clarex series, let us come to that. So these carbon blacks were introduced to meet the demanding requirement of the extrusion market. So this clean product actually required specifically in the extrusion applications. So people who are, I mean most of you may be using extrusion. In the extrusion, main problem is happening this defect during extrusion process as well as the chokage of the screen, the filter mesh. So that is the biggest problem, and that as a result the productivity loss is there, and at the end you will land up with a product which is having certain defect on the surface or blemishes. So that need to be addressed. That's what, as a carbon black producer, we failed that kind of thing. So accordingly, this product was developed, and it is used in mostly in the weather strips, profiles, then automotive door sills, extruded hose, everywhere. Wherever there is extrusion, it is used. And it gives a smoothness, superior smoothness, and lower defects, and scrap rate is reduced drastically. Yeah. So there are eight grades actually already we have developed, and some of them are equivalent to ASTM grade with a special grit level, lowest grit level. Some of the products are both, this sieve residue is less, and also there is a difference in the morphology. I'm not sure morphology, by morphology it is clear to everybody. Actually, it is basically the particle size, then your structure, the aggregate size distribution, surface chemistry, porosity, etc. So many things. So those things also are optimized in certain grades. So this is the list of 8 grades. So in the last column, I have given the respective ASTM grade to compare easy comparison. Here you can see this column, sieve residue. This is actually the main area to see. This ppm level is in general less than 15 ppm, whereas as I mentioned ASTM grade, it is in the range of 500 ppm max. And this is another grade, Clarex RG225. The ppm level is, astonishingly less than 5. So this is again a low pH specialty black. So these are the grades we developed. And now coming to the advantage of Clarex series. High loadability is possible with this kind of grades. So which results in the lower compound cost, fast extrusion, because there is no no or negligible amount of stockage of the screen. So longer extruder mesh life, so that means breakdown is less, or breakdown or your changeover time is less. Optimum reinforcement, because certain grades actually morphology also optimize. So reinforcement is optimum, no surface blemishes, flaws, high dimensional stability, and less scrap generation. You can see this is a comparative picture of normal ASTM grade, and this is the Clarex grade surface. So you can imagine how improvement it can bring to the product. Key application segments, of course, I have mentioned already here: tubes and hoses, bales, extruded profiles, molded part, seals, gaskets, anti-vibration engine mount. This is a special application where this optimum morphology is utilized. So that I will show you. Wiper blades, rubber flooring, and footwear. These are certain other more photographs. This chart actually may help people, who are using this carbon black. These are our big brothers, Cabot, Orion, Birla in the carbon black space. And this is the equivalent chart of these products. And ASTM, ASTM grade also I have given. So these chart actually I have prepared for benefit of the people. And at the same time, one more thing I want to tell, we regularly do this comparative analysis to understand the status of our grade vis-a-vis competitions, so that we are not lagging behind, or maybe we can find some USP of our products. Yeah, that's the last one. So to summarize, Clarex grade carbon black is produced with a special process by using special reactors. Actually, very few people are having this special reactor in the carbon black area. Clarex grade offers solution to overcome processing difficulties of the industry, and it gives better dispersion, fast extrusion, lesser scrap generation, longer mesh life, and this gives a superior surface finish. With this, I'll pause my talk. Thank you very much for your attention. I think I am on time. Yeah. Yeah, one more, sir, with your permission. One more thing I just want to announce. This is we are as I mentioned, we are at Calcutta, our factory and head office, and there is a Carbon Black conference every 4 years is being organized globally. So this time it is our turn. We are actually managing this conference in Calcutta, which is going to held on 21st and to 23rd October. So, so this is a good platform actually to have an understanding of the recent trends on carbon black and to connect with all the people. So we welcome all of you to be a part of this conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Ghosh, for this excellent presentation on Clarex Carbon Black, and also talking about conference which is going to be there in October. We have time for, say, about 2 questions. Any questions on this special grade of carbon black? So I think, Mr. Ghosh, you covered every